I spent 3 hours raking my lawn last fall, only to watch a fresh layer of leaves drop the very next morning. It was incredibly frustrating. Finding a sweeper that actually picks up debris without just pushing it around is harder than you think. Most of them either jam instantly or feel like cheap toys. Well, today I am going to show you the ones that actually work. I tested the top options out there, and the one taking the #1 spot completely changed how I handle my yard work. Let me explain. Number 6. Earthwise LSW7002. When I first got this model, I was genuinely hopeful. It is remarkably lightweight and incredibly easy to maneuver around tight corners. The assembly was completely straightforward, requiring 0 special tools to get started quickly. But when I pushed it across my grass, reality hit. It works fine on perfectly flat lawns with dry leaves. I mean, the moment you hit a slight bump or damp grass, the brushes glide over the debris, forcing you to make 3 frustrating passes. The collection bag is another thing we need to discuss. It holds 2.6 bushels, which sounds acceptable until you are constantly emptying it. You know, the fabric feels incredibly thin. I constantly worried about tearing a hole with a stray twig. It simply will not survive rough usage. Adjusting the sweeping height is also a persistent hassle. You twist a small dial, but it never locks firmly into the position you need. I found myself hitting a small dip in the dirt, only to realize the brushes shifted up. It is very frustrating stopping constantly to recalibrate everything. It is an acceptable option for tiny, perfectly level lawns with light debris. However, if you have pine cones, wet grass, or uneven terrain, this one is going to completely test your patience. It severely lacks the necessary power and durability for serious yard cleanup. Scott's LSW70026S Push Lawn Sweeper. Scott's is a massive name, so my expectations were definitely higher. Out of the box, it feels nicely put together. The 26-inch sweeping width is a noticeable upgrade, letting you cover more ground. I took this out after a light breeze. The rotating brushes do a respectable job grabbing freshly fallen leaves off the top layer. The problem is it truly struggles with anything settled near the dirt. If leaves sit for a day, the brushes just comb right over them, uselessly. Their hard plastic that supposedly provides traction, well, they actually slip constantly on anything except dry concrete. If your grass is slightly damp, the wheels lock up and slide, meaning the internal brushes stop spinning. You just snowplow the wet leaves. The hopper itself is fairly large, which is undeniably nice for longer jobs, but the attachment mechanism is poorly designed from the very start. It uses flimsy hooks that pop off if you hit a bump. I mean, I hit a root and the bag detached, spilling half my work. Overall, the Scotch sweeper is a mixed bag. It is decent for dry surface sweeping on very even manicured terrain. However, the slipping wheels and frustrating bag attachment make it hard to recommend for daily use. You'll probably get annoyed if your yard has uneven spots or morning dew. Number 4. Vevor Push Lawn Sweeper. This is where I finally felt like I was saving hours of labor. The build quality is superior right away. The metal frame feels substantial, and the heavy wheels have actual rubberized tread on them entirely. This completely solves the slipping issue from earlier. It grips the turf firmly every single time. I tested this on a tricky patch bombarded with pine needles. The stiffer brushes dig slightly into the grass rather than hovering above it. You know, it is incredibly satisfying leaving a clean trail. The generous hopper capacity means far fewer annoying trips to the compost bin. What I really appreciate most is how securely it stays attached. You can bump over exposed roots and the bag stays put. I mean, it makes a massive difference when your equipment actually stays together while working. Height adjustment is another specific area where the Vevor clearly outshines the competition. It features a marked locking mechanism that stays perfectly locked while you walk. Whether working on short summer grass or transitioning to slightly longer turf, I set the height exactly where I needed it without any shifting. The Vevor is a highly solid, reliable workhorse. It easily tackles a wide variety of debris, including those stubborn pine needles, and holds up well to rougher terrain. If you want a manual sweeper that genuinely reduces raking time without a massive headache, start looking right here today. 3. Yard Commander Tow-Behind Lawn Sweeper. We are officially stepping into the heavy-duty category. If you own a riding mower, this is where real magic happens. Hitching this unit takes 2 minutes. You drop the pin and you are ready. The 42-inch sweeping path is absolutely massive, clearing huge spaces incredibly fast. Let me explain how powerful this thing is. You drive over a dense carpet of leaves, and looking behind you, it looks literally vacuumed. The high-speed brush ratio turns those heavy bristles extremely fast, consistently. The hopper capacity on this tow-behind is utterly fantastic. It holds so much debris, I had to learn to pace my dumping. Speaking of dumping, the rope release is brilliantly simple. Well, you never leave your tractor seat. You just pull the rope, the bag tilts, and everything empties. Traction is completely flawless on this specific Yard Commander. The large, heavy wheels are geared perfectly to the brush axle. Even on damp grass going up a small incline, I never once saw the wheels skid. They grab the earth, ensuring you never lose that vital, continuous suction power entirely. The Yard Commander is an absolute game changer for larger properties. It takes an exhausting weekend chore and turns it into a relaxed, easy drive around your beautiful yard. The heavy construction is built beautifully, the sweeping action is very aggressive, and the convenience of emptying from the seat wins. Number 2. Eagwon Push Lawn Sweeper. You might wonder why a push sweeper beats a massive tractor model. Well, let me tell you, this is an absolute masterpiece of manual engineering. For medium-sized suburban lawns, the Eagwon is practically flawless and extremely powerful. The standout feature is the genuinely incredible brush density. They packed this machine with high-quality, perfectly angled bristles that somehow grab absolutely everything. I tested it on a messy mix of wet leaves and grass. You know, it did not hesitate, throwing everything backward into the hopper with force. One thing that impressed me deeply is how quiet and smooth it operates. Some sweepers sound like loose bolts rattling down your driveway. The Eagwon glides almost completely silently. The internal gear mechanism is totally enclosed and heavily greased, making it incredibly easy to push forward without straining your back. The height adjustment on the Eagwon is easily the best I have used manually. It has a precision dial system clicking securely into tiny micro adjustments. You can set it to skim just barely above the dirt or raise it up higher. It stays locked regardless of massive lawn bumps. The Eagwon is the absolute ultimate choice if you rely on muscle power over an engine. It is incredibly efficient, beautifully constructed, and takes all the annoying frustration out of sweeping. I mean, it easily picks up heavy debris that other push models leave completely behind every time. GreenSweep TurfoMax. This premium sweeper is completely in a league of its own. When I unboxed the TurfoMax, I immediately noticed the commercial-grade construction materials, yet it remains surprisingly light and totally manageable to push across your entire front yard. Artificial turf and delicate grasses require a gentle sweeping action. Standard stiff brushes can actually damage synthetic fibers. The GreenSweep TurfoMax uses a highly specialized sweeping cylinder with incredibly soft yet very firm nylon bristles, reaching deep without any damage. I purposely ground dry leaves and heavy debris into my turf just to see it work. Well, It pulled up stuff I did not even know was hiding down there. The deep cleaning action is truly phenomenal. It fluffs up the blades, making the whole yard look completely brand new. The collection system is equally brilliant and flawlessly executed. Instead of a floppy fabric bag, it uses a rigid, high-capacity bin that slides perfectly into place. You never worry about fabric tearing or the bag collapsing. When it is completely full, you simply lift the solid bin directly out. The GreenSweep TurfoMax easily takes the crown because it solves frustrating problems no other sweeper touches. Whether you have an expensive artificial lawn requiring careful maintenance or just want the absolute most thorough clean for natural grass, this is the one. You know it operates perfectly and delivers professional results. Outro. That's all for today, folks.